Hello and welcome to Mangley Town, and today I have to share with you the very first Bachmann Branchline catalogue from 1990. So let's dive in and take a look, see what they launched with. Obviously just an overview there, but then we do actually get into the launched items. Offering a good choice of different logos in each one, and then coaches as well. And wagons. I hope you've enjoyed a look at that catalogue. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It does really help my channel. See you soon.